This is going to be a demo of my my little program right here. That's sort of like a lighting engine. So this light bulb, when I move it away, the darker the orb becomes, the sphere. I like to call it an orb because I indeed am an orb. But I think it looks best right when placed right inside the engine, the inside of the orb. If you place it right in the middle, there's a little lag going on there. It just becomes fully lit because of the way that it's programmed to calculate how it's lit. For instance, there's only a very small bandwidth between that. But one of the best things about this lighting engine is that that was a huge lag spike. One of the best things about this engine is that when I move it, it almost immediately adjusts. Not perfectly, but it adjusts. You can see those streaks. You see kind of a pepper and kind of a streak. If you look closely, you'll see a bunch of peppering of boxes, and you'll see these kind of like rows. But if you look at it as a whole, it kind of looks like one of those Roman mosaics come to life, which I really enjoy. But at the same time, me using WASD to adjust where it is. But at the same time, for instance, it's really great because on the surface level, you just have this pepper. But this pepper is, of course, or this random generated pepper is very unreliable, of course. So what I've done is I've went behind that pepper and made some, I think all the way into here. So that's row 1. If you look closely, here it comes. There we go. And then row 2 is zero. That's row 0. Row 1, row 2, row 3, and then it just stops because at the center there's so much pepper because the pepper generates a distance and a direction. And if it generates a low distance, which is going to be about, whatever, like half the time, it's going to fill up this. So if you have like 7 different peppers in the middle and half of them are heat generating in here at any given time, it's pretty reliable function. Some of the bugs, the visual bugs, is that there's an outline here, and I'm not sure how to fix that. I might have a sweeper bot, like one of the sweepers come around and clean that up, like visually. But right now, I'm really happy with what it is